Hey guys, Matt here with Bird's Power Tools. Today I wanted to chat with you about the new 204083 CT Cyclone coming to Bird's Power Tools in the fall of 2018. Now why does this tool matter? Well, this is Festool's most efficient way of handling large volumes of dust with their new Cyclone technology. Now the Festool CT pre-separator with Cyclone technology separates and collects coarse and fine dust before it ever reaches the mobile dust extractor. The dust-heavy air is drawn in and swirled into like this spiral movement in the cyclone, causing the dust particles to hit against the wall of the cyclone and then due to gravity fall into the collection container of the CT pre-separator. The CT Cyclone is an anti-static three-step filtration system that separates and collects large debris, coarse dust before it reaches the mobile dust extractor. So what are the strengths and benefits of this tool? Well, the CT Cyclone maintains a consistently high suction power as a result of reducing the dust load on the main filter. It also then reduces necessary dust bags by handling these large volumes of dust and debris with the Cyclone technology. And then finally, guys, it's easy to transport thanks to its stackable collection container with its compact dimensions and its sturdy design. So guys, we are taking pre-orders for these today over at www.burnstools.com or in the links listed below in the description. You can also give us a call if you have any questions or thoughts, or you want to do a pre-order over the phone at 1-800-341-2200. That's a toll-free number. And you can also get in touch via Facebook Messenger or or you can come by the store and talk to us here. We're more than happy to help you out. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe to this awesome YouTube channel. We really appreciate your support. All right, cheers.